Next, you can add the product to a collection. Collections are folders that help you organize your product so you can find them easily, especially in a large list of templates. You can add the same product to multiple collections. To create a new collection, click Add New. Give it a name, choose a color, which will be the color for the collection icon, and then select an icon. This is for your reference, so it's easier to find specific products, especially if you have products with a similar design color or product color. You can edit the collection name, color, and icon by clicking on the three dots next to the collection folder and choosing Edit. Alternatively, when you are inside the collection folder, you also have these options at the top. Additionally, you can create folders inside other folders. To do this, first ensure you have another collection folder, then click on Move or drag it, and it will add that collection folder to the other collection. When adding products to a collection that is inside other collection, you need to first open the main parent collection, then select the sub-collection, the inside collection, to ensure the product is added to the correct collection. Otherwise, the product will be added to the general parent collection, not the sub-collection. To delete a collection, click on the three dots next to the collection. You'll then need to decide if you want to delete just the collection itself or all of the products within that collection, along with the collection folder. Once you've made your choice, confirm the deletion and the collection will be deleted. If you delete a collection that contains another collection inside it, both collections will be deleted. However, you can choose to leave the product unattached when deleting multiple collections. This ensures that the products are not removed along with the collections. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.